When was the last time your car had a tune-up? If you have to stop and think about it, it's probably been too long. A lot of drivers wait until something goes wrong before they take care of their car. But a tune-up is one of the most important things you can do to keep your engine running strong, save money on fuel, and avoid expensive repairs down the road. Today, we're going to cover exactly what a tune-up is, what it includes, and why skipping it is one of the costliest mistakes a car owner can make. Let's start with the basics. A tune-up is a scheduled maintenance service that keeps your engine running at peak efficiency. Think of it like a physical checkup at the doctor. You don't wait until you're seriously sick to see a doctor. You go in for regular checkups to catch small problems before they become big ones. A tune-up does the same thing for your engine. It replaces worn parts, checks critical systems, and makes sure everything is working the way it's supposed to. The most important part of any tune-up is the spark plugs. Spark plugs are what ignite the air and fuel mixture inside each cylinder of your engine. Every single time your engine fires, and it fires thousands of times per minute, a spark plug is responsible for that ignition. Over time, spark plugs wear down. The electrode at the tip of the plug erodes, and the gap where the spark jumps gets wider and less precise. When that happens, the ignition becomes weak and inconsistent. You'll notice misfires, rough idling, poor acceleration, and a drop in fuel economy. Replacing spark plugs on schedule is the single most important part of a tune-up. Most standard copper spark plugs need to be replaced every 30,000 miles. Iridium and platinum plugs can last up to 100,000 miles depending on the vehicle. Next is the air filter. Your engine needs a precise mixture of air and fuel to run properly. The air filter sits at the entrance of the intake system and catches dirt, dust, and debris before it can get into the engine. Over time, the filter gets clogged with all that buildup. A clogged air filter restricts airflow into the engine, which throws off that air to fuel ratio. The result is reduced performance, sluggish throttle response, and worse fuel economy. Replacing the air filter is cheap and fast, and it makes a noticeable difference in how the engine breathes and performs. Another key part of a tune-up is the fuel filter. Gasoline is not perfectly clean. It contains small particles and contaminants that can build up over time. The fuel filter keeps those contaminants from reaching your fuel injectors. A clogged fuel filter restricts fuel flow to the engine, which causes hard starting, hesitation under acceleration, and rough running. In severe cases, a severely restricted fuel filter can put extra strain on your fuel pump and cause it to fail prematurely. Replacing it on schedule protects both your injectors and your fuel pump. The cabin air filter is also commonly replaced during a tune-up. This filter keeps dust, pollen, and debris out of the air that flows through your heating and air conditioning system into the passenger cabin. A clogged cabin filter reduces airflow from your vents, makes your AC and heat work harder, and can cause musty odors inside the car. It's a simple and inexpensive replacement that makes a big difference in air quality inside your vehicle. On older vehicles, a tune-up would also include replacing the distributor cap, rotor, and ignition wires. These components are part of the ignition system that delivers the spark to each cylinder. Worn ignition wires develop cracks in the insulation and can cause misfires and poor performance. Most modern vehicles have moved to coil-on plug ignition systems that eliminate the distributor entirely. But if you're driving an older car, these parts should absolutely be inspected and replaced as part of your tune-up service. The PCV valve is another small but important component that gets checked during a tune-up. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. This valve routes blow-by gases from inside the engine back into the intake to be burned rather than venting them into the atmosphere. A stuck or clogged PCV valve can cause rough idling, increased oil consumption, and even oil leaks from built-up pressure inside the engine. It's a small, inexpensive part, but it plays an important role in keeping the engine clean and properly ventilated. Now let's talk about why this all matters so much. Your engine is a precision machine. Every component inside it works together in a very specific way. When one part starts to wear out, it puts extra stress on everything around it. A misfiring spark plug forces the catalytic converter to process unburned fuel, which can destroy it over time. A clogged air filter starves the engine of air, which throws off the fuel mixture and causes the engine to run rich, burning excess fuel and leaving carbon deposits on valves and injectors. These small problems compound over time and turn into expensive repairs. A tune-up prevents all of that. It keeps your engine running efficiently, which means better fuel economy and more power. It extends the life of more expensive components like the catalytic converter, fuel injectors, and oxygen sensors. And it keeps you from getting stranded on the side of the road with a breakdown that could have been prevented. Here's what most people don't realize. The cost of a tune-up is almost always less than the cost of the damage that skipping it causes. Spark plugs that cost $20 or $30 to replace can, if left too long, cause misfires that destroy a catalytic converter worth $500 or more. A $10 air filter replacement that gets skipped can contribute to fuel injector deposits that cost hundreds to clean or replace. Preventive maintenance is always cheaper than reactive repairs. Always. So here's the bottom line. Get your tune-up done on schedule. Check your owner's manual for the recommended service intervals for your specific vehicle. At minimum, inspect your spark plugs, air filter, fuel filter, and cabin filter every 30,000 miles. If you're driving a high-mileage vehicle or haven't had a tune-up in a while, get one done as soon as possible. Your engine will run better, your fuel economy will improve, and you'll add years of life to your vehicle. If this helped you understand what a tune-up really is and why it matters, give this video a like and subscribe for more real-world car tips that keep more money in your pocket. Drop your questions in the comments below and I'll answer every single one. See you in the next one.